How you doing today? So my truck's throwing an error. This is how to replace the oil sensor on an '07 to 2013 Chevy or GMC truck, 1500, 5.3 liter. Let's get started. All right, you don't need a lot of tools to do this. You do need a ratchet though that can swivel, an extension, and then you need some kind of a swivel end. And then this is a 27 millimeter socket. Of course, you need a new sensor. And then inside there's a little filter. Make sure you replace this. Some kits come with it, some kits don't. This goes underneath this piece. Okay, and just get a bolt that's big enough to fit inside of here to help pull it out. You could use a pick, but we're just gonna screw a bolt in and pull that out. That's a 5/16, but you can get any old bolt. All right, let's get started. All right, it's not impossible to get to. Some guys have you taking a bunch of things off. We're just gonna go to the back of the engine here. All right, there's our brake booster. We're gonna go right back here behind this plastic shroud. And if I look right down there, see that thing with the blue wire? That would be it. So we're gonna put our socket on there. Okay, once you get this plastic shield off, I'm just gonna climb up inside the engine. There we go. Once you're inside the engine, you can reach back here a little easier. All right, I ended up pulling this little thing off, and that's gonna allow me to get it off. Show you what that looks like. All right, let's try to get our socket on there. Hopefully you guys can see that, because I can't. There you go. I'm gonna put this socket on there first. All right, there's the little hole. Let's try and get the filter out of that. Oh, look at that. That actually worked. And the hard part, had to get the new one back in there. All right, I'm gonna try and put the new one in. All right, new one's in. Time for the new oil pressure tank. Let's see if we can get the socket back on there. Look at that. Look at that. You got a nice view. Alright, time to put the plug back on. Don't forget to put the little gray thing on if you ripped it off like I did. Let's put that little clip back on. And the clickety click click. Alright. Woo! Well, that was just scads of fun. Whew, let's give it a start and see if it works.